bit of an update on the farm. Weather's been pretty crap today, so we had a lot of chilies. I did do a video the other day, but I don't think I've released it yet. Anyway, I pickled quite a few chilies the other day, so that video will be coming out. But I've created some chili paste. So we've got Carolina Reaper paste, Trinidad Scorpion paste, and a melange of like hot wax, Serrano, Cayenne. They're all blitzed up together. Tina's water bath canned those, so they're all sealed, shelf stable. Tina's been quite busy. We've got homemade ravioli for tea, very nice. And she's now under the floor. Probably a couple of years ago, she went down there and put a load of insulation under the floor, because as you can see from the clip that I'm just about to show you, we've got quite a big space under our floor. So we've got a big void, and then it's wooden floorboards, and that's it. No insulation. So she put some insulation up, but after a while, that's all dropped down. So she's just down there pushing it all back up between the joists. And she's going to put like a vapour barrier sort of the other way on and staple that up to hold the insulation up in place. That's the plan, and it will keep the bedroom rather toasty. So yeah, while she's been doing that, I've been washing up, because I made a bloody mess this morning. I can't see exactly what you're doing, but...
Oh, hello. I'm just trying to hold it up because it's all come down.
Yeah.
Of course, it's not staying up this time. Whew, hello.
This will be on the old Our Small Farm in France.
Yeah. Oh. There's the hole, look.
Oh, what? Into the garret, into the barn?
Yeah.
Cool.
See, once I get this out of the way, I should be able to get in and out. If I
Yeah.
need to. What am I doing? I'm not there yet. I'll check a bit on that. I'll get it all up as much as I can, and then I'll start playing with this.
Yeah.
Oh, good fun.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
Okay. Shout me when you've made a cuppa, would you?
How long? 20 minutes? Half hour?
Yeah.
Which one?
Either.
Alright.
Either or.
Okay. I'll give you a shout.
Ta.
Alright, see you in a bit.
See you soon. Oh, I'm about a third of the way. What?
This is the look of an underfloor insulation specialist.
I wouldn't say specialist. Oh, Jesus.
Trousers tucked into the socks. So I thought we was going to be all up and running with the solar. We've got a new inverter. We're still waiting for parts for the old one to fix that. This new one, I got it all installed yesterday, and it won't communicate with the batteries. And I don't want to run it without battery communication, because the batteries are too expensive to cock up. So I'm backwards and forwards with emails at the moment, trying to... Before I bought the inverter, I made sure they communicate with our batteries. Told them what our batteries were. They said, yeah, this one will work. It's got the pylon tech setting in the inverter. Bish bash bosh. And for whatever reason, it's not communicating. So we're still on the grid at the moment. But yeah, we'll get there eventually. Hopefully, anyway. It's the 1st of December today. And I am a big kid when it comes to Christmas. Tina quite often gets me an advent calendar, and she's been saying for a while, I'm not getting you an advent calendar this year. And I was like, yeah, you will, you will. And I was convinced she got one. But this year she's done something different. She's done this. Little bags with a number on it. All random. 1 to 24, I assume, maybe 25. And they got some little chocolates in it. Bloody marvellous. Much better than any advent calendar. So yeah, I'll do alright this Christmas. We have been good. We've not opened up this room yet. We did the video, we found a secret room. It wasn't a secret room, we knew it was there. Sorry for the clickbait title, but it brought a few of you to the channel. We've got a few more subscribers. It was sort of clickbaity, but it wasn't. You know, it is a secret room behind some hidden doors. Dad screeded the floor and he said give it a good week. So Wednesday we're going to open that up and see what we find in there. See what all the floor looks like and everything. The plan is to get out over the weekend. I will bring the camera along because we're going to be doing some stuff outside. I'll, you know, bring you along and you can see what's going on. At the moment the weather is crap again. It is as black as anything out there. Looks like we're set for some proper rain. Anyway, this is just a little bit of an update video. Tina's under the floor still. She's popped up and she's gone back down. She's going to try and get as much as she can done. I said I'll cook tea tonight, so that'll be my little job. And yeah, a little bit of an update for you. So hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.